LoadMaster. Your powerful load plan optimizer. When the cargo quantity is not large, users can choose to directly add cargoes. Slide the mouse cursor to add cargo. Then click Directly Add. If the cargo is palletized, you can also click Add Pallet Cargo. Modify the name as you like. Fill in cargo dimensions, length, width, and height, which are required. Set the loading constraints, if any, such as the loading directions, the maximum stacking layers, stacking orders, and so on. Since cargo A is required to be placed with the height vertical to the ground, only check Stand and Stand Rotate. Then add 3 containers, 40 HQ, 40 GP, 20 GP. Then click Loading Result. To learn more about LoadMaster, please watch other video tutorials. Or try by yourself at http://loadmaster.biz. A 30-day full-featured free trial is waiting for you.